What's up, friends? It is Friday morning again. Welcome back to the Crank Revolution Bike Shop. My name is Alec. We've got Mark back and Jeremy as well. Man, we should have a pretty cool program for you today.
Hello, I need my coffee. No talking till coffee.
You are a heavy little thing. So in front of me right here, I've got the Specialized Turbo Levo in the alloy version. It has a 4x power assistance motor on there, or what is it? 4x power?
4x your output.
4x your output motor.
It's only you, but faster.
It's only you, but faster. Oh man, we are getting all the Specialized buzzwords in today. But one of the unique parts about the Turbo Levo is that it is effectively a mountain bike that can, I don't know what I'm saying.
No, it's not effectively. It is a mountain bike. It's a shuttle bike.
You gotta spread the stoke, bro.
Yeah, so, you know,
it's a shuttle bike. You can use power to climb up hills and then just bomb downhill.
Sweet, there we go. I should have just let Mark talk about it.
Don't you hate when the shop parents keep interrupting you to correct you on everything you do?
We're not correcting, we're advising.
Yeah, okay, got it, Mark. God. But yeah, anyways, 4x your output motor at the crank, so it's a very well-balanced bike for even the weight it is. It is a 29 up front, 27.5 at the back. I don't know how much it weighs, but it's substantial. And as Mark was interjecting earlier, it can be used as a shuttle bike, basically for any of those sorts of climbs and areas you don't want to ride through. You can just pop that motor on and climb up, and then once you get to the fun part of descending, turn it off and you can coast all the way down without breaking a sweat. So hey, why don't we take this out for a test ride? So yeah, very zippy little thing, very responsive motor, and obviously having full suspension is extraordinarily comfortable. And yeah, it's super smooth, very confidence inspiring, and I mean, obviously taking this onto the mountain trail would be the correct thing to do, but yeah, that's fun. That is fun. Whoa! Who's that? Look who decided to join us. I didn't know you were following me at all.
It's quiet. You can sneak up on your prey.
Yeah. On your mountain bike nemesis.
Exactly. Guess I got a lot more power than you still. All right, I'm cold. I'm going in.
I think I'm going in too. Oh, right in the crotch.
That's why you drop the dropper.
I don't know how to use a mountain bike.
Thank you, sir. No problem.
Thank you. Since TC isn't in on Fridays, let's cut to Saturday to talk to him about some kind of cycling tip.
Hey everybody, TC here from Crank Revolution, and I want to talk about helmets. So right in front of me here, I've got a couple of my helmets through a couple different times that I've ridden them. This one is very broken and very destroyed from that there bike crash that was in Park City, Utah. Yeah, that was a rough day. But yeah, so this helmet, that's dead, but it's a good reminder of why to wear a helmet, what to do with a helmet once it's damaged. So for me, it's just a good thing to have in the shop to show people, hey, these things break. And so yeah, this is my current mountain bike helmet. You know, clean, no damage, it's got some scratches, a little bit, it's definitely worn, but it's not damaged and broken. And so helmets, you talk about, 5 years as a replacement timeline from when you picked it up, or from one major incident. That's the kind of the two things that are gonna, put helmets out for you, and you'll have to look at a new helmet. This here is my downhill helmet, which has plenty of dust on it. Haven't worn this in about 5 years in any kind of serious way of riding. But yeah, I live in Illinois now, so I struggle to find use for this. But it's still a good thing to show because however much protection you want, there's a helmet for it.
So this weekend, I was watching some Tour de France videos, and I saw that they were running some Huffy bicycles. Were they a high-performance brand back then?
Oh yeah, super high performance. So high performance that you get them at Sport Mart back then. So no, Huffy was never a super high-end brand. They were definitely an economical brand, but most of the time they were trying to get their brand name out, so they were sponsoring bike teams. So back then, even some of the higher-end companies would outsource their frames to be built professionally by the likes of Serrata, which I think I mispronounced that. I apologize. So like Huffy, anybody that was high end always had a custom frame built by them by the highest frame builders out there. So yes, you would see Huffy, and that was actually not Huffy, that was Serrata. Schwinn, It did have a team at one point. It was still kind of underneath the Schwinn umbrella, but it was actually by the company Waterford, which a lot of people do in Waterford, and that's where those frames came from. So no, Huffy was never a good bike.
Oh man, you're telling me my childhood bicycles were not high performance? Oh man,
Even close to high performance.
way to break my heart. Hey Jeremy. What?
Oh, hey, you gotta cut the onions, man. That's what this is for. We're doing a little grill out. Go check out Mark out back. See how it's looking. I'm just so happy for the food. My eyes are burning so bad right now. I'm just crying. Crying with happiness.
Hey Jeremy, why do you have such an old bike?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you over my awesome MV hubs. This is the Rio Olympics Tarmac Torch, which was, most of them got recalled because the paint actually didn't work. It's color change paint, which makes me love it being a 90s kid. Well, I guess it wasn't a kid in the 90s, it was a teen. 72 degrees was kind of like the Rio average temperature. So above 72 degrees, it would start to turn yellow. You can see now though, since we're going from like 2015 to now, the fork is already almost always yellow. But the cool thing that I like showing people, and somebody pointed out, it's not necessarily cool. Come here for a minute, I want to show you something. We're gonna use friction. And we're just gonna rub the top tube a little bit. We're gonna heat it up. But look, it started turning yellow. And that is why I keep this bike, because it's unique, it is my own, and honestly, going to an SL8 is not gonna make me any faster.
So, Jeremy brought me some clothes. This is our Crank Revolution, what is it? What do they call them? Shop hauls? Clothing hauls? Something like that? It's better than the one that he was wearing. Don't look like I'm wearing my dad's clothes anymore. How's that look, Jeremy?
Actually,
Does that look better, Mark?
oh god, that looks
super
much,
pro.
Much better?
You know what? That looks much better.
Yeah. So we've got matching outfits now.
Twinsies!
Yay!
Time to get back to work, Alec.
Well, friends, talk about a very slow day at the shop. Mark took off early because we didn't have much stuff going on. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the little history lesson from him. It's very interesting to know about all those sorts of little historical facts regarding cycling that he seems to have an unlimited amount of knowledge about, which is a little concerning. And just to kind of wrap up our vlog for today, just want to let you know that our kids' bikes are on sale till the 31st. So till a couple of days after this video goes up, we will be doing that up to 50% off on select bikes. Whatever Specialized says, we are matching that. So if you're in the market for something of that sort, you're looking for a present for maybe Christmas, something around that time of year, this is a great time to secure those next year's rides. Anything else from you, Jeremy?
Ride more bikes, and Alec, Godspeed on your edits!
Thank you, Jeremy. It shouldn't be that bad, but yeah. All right, we will see you guys next week. Peace out.